Enjoy yourself, baby
on top the night
boo.
show. Hey boo, cause even your what?
Boo, get a boo.
Hey boo, hey boo. Ain't no good guys, so let her do. Hey do. When I welcome back on top the night show. Today on the Friday, no worry. Today and Monday and a Ministry Monday, Bumi only don't sit down the HR expert today for discussion matter self-confidence, self-esteem, and now we discuss. Last time we said we could ask questions on top Twitter. So many people don't ask questions on top Twitter already, but she go round up before we take the questions. Our phone lines go they open already. We could begin the call on top the matter. Baby, over to you.
Self-esteem inside work.
Self-esteem.
You get self-esteem.
Don't try me.
Okay.
Don't try
your
me.
self-esteem they intact.
My self-esteem, spiritually, physically, and otherwise, soft skill and hard skill.
I don't intact. You see, with your self-esteem are all right.
Very, very well. Yeah.
When we know they're all right, see as you be.
You know, say easy to get can do.
Thank you. Now what I want to talk now? He said he can do anytime. Yeah. And I don't know why. Anytime when you should talk that, it goes easy to get can do attitude.
You don't do like that. No. She don't get up do like that. You just say get can do.
For her mind, I didn't see her. I didn't say for her mind. If I have mind, I didn't see her. Easy to has a can do attitude. Easy can do attitude.
That's positive attitude.
I go kind of got the attitude. Continue.
So our show today go day tailored around the questions where they ask us.
Okay.
So don't ask us for Facebook.
Okay. Them most start from the questions.
start from the
But anyway, our phone lines go they open. We're gonna begin the call. But most start from the questions. Number one question. Now Emmanuel send that question. He said, "Thanks for your educative lecture. Can you help me further understand how to help others around me who have very low self-esteem?"
Yeah. So in there all right with himself.
So in believe say in the alright. So in others where they around them get low self-esteem. So what is he going to do now?
Okay,
That is going to help those people around it.
Because now you're bad. Okay, but my name at all.
Bam, that same thing where you talk now.
Okay.
Continue.
What happen be say to answer Emmanuel question, they say research don't show say positive reinforcement like repeating. You know, say people will get low self-esteem, they always they negative. We don't talk before they quiet.
They
no be team player. They call in sick for work. In fact, another one be say they quick apologize. Quick to say sorry for the thing. We be say.
But quick to say sorry, not be good thing.
Not be that kind of sorry. See, if I bump into you now for passage, I go say sorry. Abi if you sneeze, I go say, some people they say sorry, some people go say bless you. No be those kind of sorry. Things where we say ordinarily, you're not supposed to say sorry. They go they say sorry because you know they conscious of the kind anything where people talk to them
about them.
Instead of making positive effort about themselves, they go they waiting they do talk about me. It be like say Katim, they look me with one kind degrading as if Kenny, you know. So that negativity, it is there for their mind, and most times it is there subconscious.
Okay.
Not be say things where
they know when they do one.
They know they know, but now because na traits where they exhibit. So what happen be say they say, you know, sometimes people they like to encourage them, so they tell them, give them positive comments and all that. Research don't so say, for instance, if you are saying I'm a lovable person, it's actually making those people, it's making their self-esteem worse.
I don't understand.
Make I read them. It's a research findings show that positive reinforcement, like repeating "I'm a lovable person" to yourself,
I'm a lovable person.
I'm a lovable person.
Feel love me. Then feel
actually
love me,
made
feel love me.
those suffering from low self-esteem feel worse.
So what thing they will come to talk?
Exactly.
Then it also went further to say that constantly showering someone with attention and praise for somebody that already has bad thoughts and feel negative about themselves is not going to help either.
So what thing the person go come do? Why even a joke?
It will only make the person feel worse once they see that those things are just superficial comments. You know, because for their mind, the esteem don't deal low. They know they certain. Now fear of uncertainty they cause.
The question why I want to ask you now, nigga, wanna because now, what in this guy Emmanuel go help other people they are around them?
I want to.
I think go
help
do
them.
first. Be say, then say, instead of, you know, showering these kind of people with praises, trying to encourage them
So
and
don't
all
worry,
that,
you go
the
feel
first thing be say, let them confront their fears.
How?
Then say, for instance, you know people who get low self-esteem, they like to compare themselves with others. Compare themselves with their friends, their colleagues, even strangers, their parents, their siblings, they like to compare. Me and this person start this job the same time. Okay. Now this class we did the same time. We start this training together. Now this office, he meets me safe. See, they don't promote them. These people for this office hate me. They hate me. If no be say I nice, all these kinds of things, they no go they do them to me. Now low self-esteem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so for Emmanuel now to tell those people to help
Make them know they compare themselves. They said number one rule,
So
no comparison.
in go they tell them by word of mouth. In go they always they talk to them.
They should stop comparing themselves with others. They say even it's as bad as even strangers. They go they compare themselves with strangers. Maybe people where they on their street where they don't know now just exactly now just so they live for the same street now in then they
Sorry, somebody there on the line.
They
Hello.
take to find fault for everything.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Akara. Hey. What's your
Hello.
name?
Akaraka.
Akaraka.
Jesus.
Hey.
Kewal.
Akaraka.
Fine. No.
Akaraka destiny.
Oh. Akara. I know it's an Akaraka, but your mother just call you Akaraka.
Ma.
Akaraka.
Oh.
How is you now?
Fine. Good evening.
Good evening, my sister. I'm going. What do you want to talk today?
I want to play that jam so that the black for there.
Harry song featuring.
I said Harry song.
Harry song featuring Tracy.
Hello, good evening.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. I want your association, I beg.
Vote for you. That's the she vote for you.
Hey, she gonna vote for you. Me say why they play drag, I go vote for you. Let's continue.
Then number two, they say make them know they tell white lies to avoid conflicts. You see, people will get low self-esteem. They know they
What do you mean? Lies when they make sense.
exactly white lies where you know say no they well low. It's just like asking Nedu, how this thing dey for my body? You know say the thing no fit me You see say
okay.
exactly because say and it be like say in fact the color suit you. It just dey.
But for you know say na lie.
You know say na lie. The thing no dey.
But if you tell the person figure if it's easy bit
No.
me now say this glass wey you wear, you know okay. True, I know say it be like masquerade. I go say you look like a masquerade, remove it. He go vex, he go touch him feeling now.
No, but if easy bits get low self-esteem, you know people will get low self-esteem. They know they accept compliments because
and criticism.
exactly. So they no go know the difference. He go say they do hate me. Now him talk say this
Stand
thing no
for this
good.
granite.
I don't warn you before now.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
must get
Hope
sand
so
now.
no data.
I know sand.
One must get sand.
I need water. Continue.
So they pretend as if all is well. Meanwhile, all is not well. They tell white lies. They know they like to they confront. If situation for office go warrant say we go jam each other. Like they do know. This is how we should let's brainstorm. Look, no, it should be people will get low self-esteem. No, they like those kind of things. So to confront their affairs, they say no more white lies to avoid conflicts.
Now, Emmanuel, you don't hear now. What will be the first one we tell them?
No more endless comparison.
Now they tell them say make them know they compare themselves to help
Anyhow.
them. Make them know they compare themselves for other people. And another one again.
No more white lies.
No, they do if something not good. Talk
Just
am.
talk
You
am,
know,
say
if
no.
you do am and not
Uh-huh.
fit do am,
Yeah.
teach me. You know those kind of things. Raji, good evening.
Then no more senseless apologies for mistake that
You go ask Raji. Instead of Raji.
Raji,
Yes,
yeah, Kike,
last year.
yeah, yo.
Last year.
Oh yeah, now talk what you want to talk today. How is you? How is
Yes, Nadu Alpha.
you? Yeah.
Last year.
Yo, now your spirit the answer before. I've been in your shadow.
Yeah, how are you?
Oh, one. Fine.
Active.
Ma?
No, nothing is not my spirit.
Bye bye.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Your spirit is not in the same conformity with your body.
who that be?
So one is moving faster than the shadow. I don't know if you are with me on this. Now, Emmanuel, say if you want help those where they with you, then they say make them not they compare themselves with all the others, and then make them not they talk white lie. If they not fit do something, talk and say you not fit do am.
Finish.
Then go teach you. Then the third one make you know
No more senseless apologies.
now they apologize for what
Anyhow,
if
you know,
you do something
yes.
wrong, you didn't write it well. Sorry, sir. Sorry. No. But if you not write something well, you go say sorry, sir. Now.
No be say sorry, sir. You go accept accept
But
responsibility.
No be,
like
accept, but
that
no,
must.
no, they talk anyhow. Sorry,
Oh,
sir.
that must have been an error on my side.
I'm so sorry.
See
And
that
people they
you
like
shoot
those.
my mouth. Okay, the second person say now Olorunda Samuel is for Twitter too. He say what are the steps to improving my self-esteem?
It be like say we don't address that one for that one we will talk.
Okay. Okay. Well, if Olorunda Samuel, if you hear this thing now, Samu, now the same thing. Now you go range take do, and then make another thing where you talk last week Monday. They tell yourself those things where you not fit do.
Fake
Tell
it
yourself,
till
say,
you make it.
Fake it till you make it.
Yeah.
I can do this. I can do this. I has I can do like easy beat. I has I can do. I has I can do. I don't know. Are you with him, man?
I am with him.
Wow.
My can do attitude go take me to heaven. I can do it. I can do it. So the thing say you go use I can do it and enter heaven. If you don't do good thing, you cannot fit to enter heaven. End of discussion.
Good evening from Lagos.
Hello, I'm hearing you, Nedu.
Yeah.
You be man or woman?
I don't know, man.
Oh, no man. Stanley,
Yeah, I'm there, hear you.
how is you?
I'm fine.
I'm going to ask you a question. I'll talk your talk.
Nedu, I want to belong. I want
They want to.
to belong to your association. Oh.
My brother, myself, I know it belongs to myself. I belong to Katiba
I
Association.
will vote for you. I will also bring my friends. They will vote for you.
Oh, your friends, Ngwana, no problem. Thank you. We need your vote. Thank you. Ngwani, bye-bye. Lara talk say for Twitter, what about ladies who easily give in to sexual harassment by Lara.
By Guinea.
What about ladies who easily give in to sexual harassment by superiors in the office? Do you think it might be because they have low self-esteem?
Plus or minus.
Yes, I think so.
Yes.
I think
Plus
so
or
because
minus.
if you not believe yourself, now you do feel say to wipe, to get
Nine-
to
yeah.
slip your way to the top,
Yeah.
9 day easy way.
Yeah.
So I agree myself, I know that one.
Yeah.
Like duh.
Yeah.
Oh my god. And then Deji still on top Twitter talk say, Auntie Bumi, I am easily intimidated by almost everybody, including in the office. Hey. I grew up being taught to be humble, but I think mine is becoming like a low self-esteem because people take advantage of my humility and intimidate me.
Is he a boy or girl?
Nah,
sound
Deji,
like
na man,
boy,
na
na
boy.
man.
What can I do? So what can he do?
What happen be say to answer this question, we go differentiate humility from low self-esteem.
Humility and humility and low self-esteem. So if
For
you want-
somebody where they humble, they said they are self-aware and they don't boast to receive credit for accomplishment.
like
As
if
in, so they know themselves. They know who
Yes.
them be.
Yes.
so for example, now if you say, you're looking too fine, my brother, how now? No, how we go do now?
I know.
Now,
They know they carry swag. Say yes.
Like
na me
easy
do.
like easy beat, they carry swag.
Rara o.
So
Good.
Easy
My-
beats.
Bumi.
Easy beats, Moshe.
Hey, Auntie Bumi, see, now I tell you something. You're beginning to make us feel because every time you can do spirit. I talk easy bit now, you say no, rara.
No, Albert, no,
In
Baba,
short,
no.
say this guy never chipped Albert, come on.
Albert see them.
Easy beats,
Albert,
Moshe.
because that picture where I see, I saw that
Albert,
they
no.
compromising.
Ado, extraordinary love. Ado, between her and Albert.
Continue.
Then the person may still be recognized. You know, because they are self-aware, they don't boast to take credit. They already are aware of their accomplishments.
Okay.
Then they said that person may still be recognized by others, but that person doesn't toot his or her own horn. They don't blow their horn like, oh yes,
They
I
don't
don't
talk say I
come.
get this one,
Eh,
I
yes,
do this
and
one,
then,
now me do this one, now me do that one. They know
Okay, that now
Humble
humility.
people know. That now humility.
humility.
Now, person will get
Low self.
low self-esteem.
Esteems.
They say the person does not go first. The person thinks and shies away from credit.
And they come.
You know, person will get low self-esteem. We talk say they are not team players.
Yes.
They withdraw. They are quiet.
Okay.
They see everything
but quiet
negative.
in a bad way.
In a
when
bad
you
way,
suppose,
yes.
stand up to do something. You know,
Exactly. They don't like to confront challenges. In fact, before the task starts, I beg, I don't get time for all this kind of thing.
I know they.
They can't do it, but they don't want to admit to themselves that they cannot do it. They will now be spoiling that thing that which kind they're yet to. This this nonsense thing people they run up and down for. Something where I don't do when I did GSS1. Nonsense. They don't fit do am. Na low self-esteem. So they say people like that, they shy away from credit, and then they don't go after challenges. They don't.
Just go for their coin
They
and
just dey there,
jeje,
like, make I dey do my own thing. Oh.
But wetin be that thing wey person go fit do, wey dem go mistake am from
humility to
self-esteem?
They said the person will get low self-esteem. They know they set boundaries. Boundaries. You know, because they are insecure, they avoid conflicts, so they can't set boundaries. So they can't be good leaders.
So they almost dey like they room, but they go dey invisible because nobody go notice them because they just quiet like that.
Because
then if you notice, most times researchers don't prove say they extra nice. You know, because they don't want to make people they criticize them. Then
So
they are
they
very
make up,
sensitive
they use that thing
to
to-
comments like and see as Katim they look me like say they look me like I know me and
person
no
come go,
dey
yeah,
say
yeah,
me.
pẹ̀lẹ́.
Exactly.
Yes,
And before they say come, you don't reach there. Bam. Before their phone fall, you don't carry them for ground. Before you know. So
That
they
thing na disease, so you get your own
nice
treatment.
subconscious
Wetin be the
feeling.
treatment? Wetin be the treatment? After reset. We slap am.
No, I just say reset now. They don't know.
Now this reset why no be that. Okay, well, Deji, I hope say they don't answer. Abi, you still want give am?
Then, in closing for the question, they say this person makes excuses that the personal suffering is because he or she is choosing to be nice. You see, they say because they did nice, that they want you know.
Okay.
But in truth, the person with low self-esteem has a hard
So,
time
for-
being
for-
true to himself.
For Deji now, you go say Deji get low self-esteem.
He gets.
Deji, you has
get.
here now. As you
They exhibit signs of
you are
low
exhibitionist.
self-esteem. Yeah.
Ajiri.
Your symptoms are the low self-esteem symptoms.
It's supposed to set boundaries. No be no. Yes be yes.
Ajiri, good evening.
Ajiri.
Ajiri.
Nah, your brother.
Yeah.
Hello?
Ajiri.
Hello?
It's not a bad name, oh. Ajiri. Yeah.
Like you don't
So,
go.
Deji, you don't hear now. Now low self-esteem be your own. Yes, then teach you make you dey humble from when you small. But
difference
dey between humility and
low self-esteem.
and low self-esteem. So my
They
brother
can't
in
be
the
like say
Lord.
come confuse the matter.
Yeah, so make you not dey confuse am. Not be say you go office now, go dey proud you. Mo se bon wo, so go mo se bon wo. Think of something else.
Have you asked one question?
What's
Okay. What's the difference between person where they bold and person where they rude?
Bold be say you dey confident. You dey confident. Even without talking, they go know say this person dey bold. But the person where they rude, in attitude, he go exhibit am.
If they rub am off on anybody.
Anyhow, as if waiting. In speech, in attitude, in everything, they are rude.
I know those kind of
And
people.
then people like that, they know they apologize. They know they are because they don't see if I
Anything
can
wey
be
they do wey
yeah,
wrong.
they don't see anything way wrong in waiting they don't do.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we